Hey, it's Andre. It's time for another Friday Flying Update. Please, for the love of all things, stop snowing. You're looking at some footage I shot just before doing this update outside. It's snowy and disgusting, and that's going to continue into Saturday. It looks like some really high winds in the 40-50 kilometer hour range, but hopefully on Sunday we'll get out there because I want to fly this, maybe fly that, my bomber, maybe the P4, because I haven't flown my Phantom in forever. So in the meantime, the bench is going to get busy. I've got some other projects. I'm in the middle of painting the Flight Test Simple Scout and some colors I decided were pretty gnarly. And like I said, this aircraft, the Durafly Buffalo, is all set up and programmed in my radio and ready to go, but the weather in the last couple of weeks just has not been favorable to flying. So yeah. Kind of setting up for 2019 as well. I've ordered the Flight Test Mini Mustang as well. The Corsair, the F4U Corsair done by John Oversteer. The thing looks phenomenal. John is by trade, I guess, a metal worker, so he's used his fabrication skills, his amazing fabrication skills. I have a lot of respect for anybody who could look at a sheet of metal and then turn it into a curved shape and everything. Anyhow, he's transferred that shape and that ability into the foam, and some of the creations the guy is making are just amazing, like just changing everything we thought was possible. So I'm excited because I've been wanting to, I've really enjoyed my flight test experience recently again, getting back into it. I've got the Legacy that I want to build. I've got a couple of aircraft and other good friends have laser printed off for me, and I've printed off some plans just to do something on my own. So yeah, 2019 is going to be fun. Podcast, not this weekend. Coming up next weekend is the second anniversary for the RC After Hours show. We've got some prizes and surprises and everything. We're going to try and talk to some good old friends of the podcast and go from there. The show is actually 5 years now in the running. I look back, Chris has been doing it since January 2014. Obviously, I came into the fall of 2014 myself, or 2015, sorry, and we just went from there. So we're having a good time and really enjoying it. I guess the only unfortunate news I have to talk about is I found out this week that the podcast and myself won't get a chance to review the Avios, the new Avios Albatross. We were basically told, sorry, the people who were picked to do the reviews got the airplane already, so we're out of the loop, which is really disappointing from a podcast and reviewing standpoint. So, sorry guys, I guess I need to try harder and do more. So, don't know. I guess I'll be try and crank out some more videos. I don't know what to do. I'm not too really concerned about it. I do this for fun. It's a hobby. It's supposed to be relaxing and enjoying. And I don't really have a reason to compete. So I'm going to enjoy my airplanes and the opportunities I've been given and just have fun with the hobby because, well, that's what it's all about. So there you go. I'm going to end it on a positive note. Have a fantastic flying weekend. If I do get out on Sunday with this bad boy, I'll be sure to roll the GoPro and have an action cam on board and the camera that Andrew Newton sent me on the ground so I can get low and close and just have a lot of fun with it because that's what the hobby's all about. I'm Andre. This is the Friday Flying Update. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Have an awesome weekend. Flaps. Wow. There's some good power coming off that stuff.
It doesn't have any like this.
Nope. This is just I'm running a FR Sky channel receiver. Takes about 5 minutes to put it together, even less. Once I get used to it. 4 screws and like 6 little fasteners for the struts. There you go, it doesn't care about that. Bump and go.
this is smaller than the Carbon Z Cub. So this is more like you'd compare it to something I would say would be the Fun Cub XL for size. Because those things are both 1700 mils. Fun Cub X, I don't know. This is just, all they do is plus size and a few little mods to their existing design, which is, you know, the Tundra is a beautiful aircraft, so. Timber's fun. Timbers are fun. It's a good aircraft.
You still have that little one?
Yeah.
He loved that one.
It's hilarious to fly.